Okay, folks, today we're going to talk about atomic radius and ion charge. This is going to move pretty quickly. Um, List the following atoms in order of increasing atomic radius. Well, before we do that, I want to make sure we all understand that the smallest thing when we're talking about atomic radius, the smallest thing on the periodic table is helium, and the biggest thing on the periodic table is francium or francium. All right, so list the atoms in order of increasing atomic radius. So I'm going to find them all. I've got chromium here. I've got nickel. I've got gallium. And I got potassium. Well, remember, as we go left to right, up and down don't matter this time because I've got nothing going up and down. So the smallest is over here on the right. So as I go this way, they get bigger. Okay, if I go to the left, they get bigger. So the smallest one that I have is gallium. The next smallest is nickel. The next smallest is chromium. And the next smallest is potassium. Okay? Now, how about the next one? I'm doing it in order of increasing atomic radius. So again, let me find where certain things are in the periodic table. We'll point them out. We'll circle everything. All right. There's phosphorus. And there's arsenic. There's fluorine. There's mercury. Oh, where's mercury? It's in the middle somewhere. There it is. I see it. Now I just had to get my pen to figure out where I'm at because I've lost my pen. Okay. There's mercury. Way over here is francium. Okay, so which one's going to be smallest? The smallest is up here and to the right. So I start with fluorine. So fluorine clearly has to be number 1 because it's up there on the right. And then phosphorus. And then arsenic. All right, so now I have to keep working my way down. And my next one was I worked down as mercury. And my next one is francium. Okay, so that's my order as they increase in size. Now, list the expected charges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle stuff. There's lithium. It's in column 1. So let me just put some charges in here. That's +1. That's +2. I'm going to ignore the D block. That's +3. That's plus or minus 4. -3, -2, -1, and 0. Okay, so lithium is in column 1, group 1. It's an alkali metal, so it's going to be +1. And calcium is down here in group 2. Calcium is an alkaline earth metal. Oh man, I'm having a rough day already. Let's try that again. Lithium is +1 because it's in the +1 column. Calcium is +2 because it's in the 2+ column. And oxygen is way over here on the right, and it's in the -2 column. -2. Now phosphorus is just down below it to its left. So they're going to have dueling answers over here. Bromine's also way over here on the right. Come on, you, where are you? I keep losing my cursor. There you are. It's so hard to see it. Right? So bromine's way over there, so it's going to be a -1. Now boron's in the +3 column. So it's going to be a +3. And carbon is in the plus or -4 category. It's important that you see that. So when these things are bonding, carbon is either going to give up or it's going to gain 4 electrons. And you don't know which one it is because it could do either one. Now aluminum is in the +3 column. Sorry, the +3 column. It's right there. So it's going to stay a +3. Okay. Mg2+ and the sodium ions each have 10 electrons surrounding their nucleus. Which ion would you expect to have the smaller radius? Well, that should be pretty clear because sodium has 11 protons. So when you start thinking about the electrons that are shadowing it, they're being pulled in by 11 positive charges. But magnesium, on the other hand, magnesium is number 12. So it has 12 positive protons in the middle. And so as a result, the electrons are pulled in, the outermost electrons are pulled in, and they're pulled in more because they're more magnets. There's more of an attractive force in the middle pulling them in. Okay, that's it. See you in class if you have questions. Have a good one.